guys, here I am at HomeGoods. Let's go shopping. Look at this. So guys, these are candles, right done. This one says vanilla. This one that says shine and home with the wooden lids, those are $9.99. Aren't they beautiful? And then these, that one is $7.99. Wow, how pretty. The music is a little loud, guys, so I hope you can hear me. Okay, this one says citrus, vanilla, love, and lavender. I like that. So these are $12.99. These are slightly bigger than these. Then these down here say home, faith, and wish. And those are $12.99. Oh, look, this one says faith, hope, and love. I love that. Those are $14.99. I love the size. I think that's reasonable. Then these say peony. And those are the $12.99. And these are $14.99. I love that. Beautiful. Okay, so let's go look on this side here. Look at the bunnies. Guys, he has a little pouch in the back. It's right done. That one says hop. And that's $19.99. You can actually put something in there. I love the bunny. Okay. Then this glow scented candle. Look at that gold, guys. I love it. $7.99. This one says sweet peony. This big one here. It's a 3-wick candle. That's $12.99. Sand fog. Okay, these can't. Oh, look at this one. This one says birthday cake, and that's $6.99. Wow. I'm loving this stuff. Look at this bunny, guys. Oh, she's beautiful. Oh my God, it's heavy. $19.99 for that bunny, guys. What is this? The Make a Craft. This is a book. $14.99. Okay, guys, then they have, what is this? Okay, life happens and wine helps. Okay, sand fog. And look at this egg with the bunny ears. Oh my God, that's made of glass, and that's $7.99. And I'm loving this pink egg. Oh, it lights up. I don't think I see a price on it. Nope, I don't see a price on that, guys. And then they have these things down here. I don't know if I can get to the price. Okay, that's $29.99 for this item here, guys. I'll try to back up. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at this candle holder. I love this. $19.99. I love this. And then look at this one. I don't see a price on this one. Look, guys, they have the smaller ones. Oh, I love this. This really, I mean, this is just really beautiful to me. $14.99 for that one. And then $16.99 for these candle holders down here. And I don't know, this is different. This, oh, shabby chic, $14.99. I like that. That's nice. And look at this. I'm loving this crystal candelabra. I don't dare pick that up to see how much that is, guys. It is gorgeous. You see that? Wow. So they have some more of these in different sizes. This candle holder is a pink iridescent. Let's see. That is $12.99. I love those Indian pillar wooden candles. So the smaller one is $12.99, and I can't get to the back one. That one's taller. Wow, I absolutely have such a ball when I come in here. These candle holders over here, those are $9.99 for this big one. Yeah, both of them are $9.99 each. And this big one over here, very tall. Let's see, that is $16.99, and that one is very tall. See it? In comparison to those two. Very nice. Glass bowls. Absolutely beautiful. And they have these slightly bigger ones, the dinner plates right here. These just say blessed. And that's $5.99. Okay guys, and this stuff here is all napkins. So let's see what's on this side here. Okay guys, then they have this clearance area right here. I'm loving these candle holders, guys. These are $8. This pillar candle right here is $8. This is really nice. That's $12.99. And this pillar candle over here, that's on clearance for $22. And this basket right here, that's $22 for that. And then they have this candle right here. Oh, this is so pretty. It's the rose gold. Okay, that's $4.50. It's so me. Look at this collection, guys. I love this. Look at it. Okay, so these are $7.99 for this candle holder. And then the bigger one, I don't even dare lift that up. Look at this. Look at this one. Oh my goodness, that is so me. $16.99. Absolutely glam, guys. Look at that. That is, I just hit the jackpot with this glam stuff. Okay, so then they have this display bowl right here for $16.99. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? The detail is stunning. And then this is a pineapple stand. Guys, I never seen that before. That's $24.99. And there's a big Easter egg back there. I don't want to lift that up. And look at this. Isn't she beautiful? Look at this. Oh my goodness. Let's see, $24.99 for her. Then down here, you see this tall bling candle holder. Oh my goodness, I would love to take this home. Wait a minute, it's on clearance for $15. Guys, they had these big jars, these floor jars, you see them? They had these at TJ Maxx. And then look at these. I love the white detail on these. These are stunning. Absolutely stunning. This is only $16.99. Well worth it. And here you sir. Look at that. These bowls, $16.99. Guys, I gotta show you the detail to the top of this. Let's see. You see this? Look at the detail to that top. That cake stand. Oh my God. I'm so scared to lift that up. Okay, that's $39.99. Look at this. That is absolutely gorgeous. I would love to have that. And see, they have some more. That is so glam. And so they have the, and I'm loving that blush pink color. And look at this mirror, guys. I don't even dare lift it. Hold on. Okay, it's not as heavy as I thought. This mirror right here, let me put it down. Look at that. That mirror is $19.99. And this stuff here I can't lift because it's a little too high up. I'm loving this blush pink. Look, the bunny. Look at this down here. Is there a, isn't that a beautiful bowl, guys? Absolutely gorgeous. So guys, thank you for coming with me to HomeGoods. I'm really enjoying the glam stuff over here. And I'll see you guys in the next video.